This is a sonification for the magnificent dust-obscured radio galaxy, the Centaurus A, also called NGC 5128 or Colville 77. The image is made up of 5 different surveys assigned to different colors, including those from X-ray, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, and radio bands, with each survey assigned different sound frequency in sonification. The data assigned magenta color is X-ray survey taken by NASA Chandra X-ray telescope assigned B8 musical note pitch that in cyan, green, yellow and red colors are UV, optical, 22 micron wavelength infrared and 150 MHz radio data assigned D8, F sharp 7, A5 and G3 musical note pitches respectively. The data was obtained from NASA Chandra OpenFits archive and NASA Skyview. The Centaurus A lies in the constellation of Centaurus. It is a very well studied galaxy since it is one of the closest radio galaxies to the Milky Way, and its multi-wavelength images reveal its various features. There has long stood a debate on the morphology of the galaxy because of the obscuring dust band which absorbs most radiations coming from beyond the dust wall. High resolution images of this dust band shows a few interesting never before seen features of the galaxy. The optical images show a dusty dark band which absorbs most of the light emitted from the galaxy and its stars, while bright emissions can be seen over the edges of the dust band. Ultraviolet data shows a similar obscurity and over the edge emissions from hot and young stars of the galaxy. The 22 micron infrared data shows cold gas and dust from the galaxy along the dust band, which absorbs high energy radiation from hot and young stars of the galaxy and re-emits it in the infrared range. The central supermassive black hole of the galaxy is actively accreting matter and pumping jets of plasma at relativistic speeds as seen in the radio spectrum. The central engine mechanism accelerates charged particles in magnetic fields, producing high energy radiations as seen in the X-ray images. The strong jet connecting the central engine to the northern radio lobe and the bow-shaped X-ray emission near the edge of the southern radio lobe seen in X-ray data show shocks in plasma. Many hundreds of stellar mass black holes are also detected as point objects from X-ray binaries that contain a stellar mass black hole and a companion star in orbit around one another. NASA Chandra All X-ray image shows these features in a composite of 3 X-ray images taken at different wavelengths. Now let's head to the sonification of our target galaxy.